Welcome to Lyine project. Today I am gonna introduce our fodder production line. Part 1. Seed soaking and waking. Clean barley seeds are placed in a soaking tank, which supply controlled temperature and oxygen. Wake up the seeds' rapid sprouting. Part 2. Surface dew watering. Remove the seed surface water. Part 3. Automatic seeding. Seeds are fed into a sowing hopper, and a precision seeder evenly distributes them onto growing trays. Part 4. Stacking and germination. An intelligent robotic gripper stacks trays onto transport pallets, which are moved into a climate-controlled germination room. After around 48 hours, sprouts reach height 2 centimeters. Part 5. Smart cultivation. A multifunctional robotic arm. Place the trays onto growing racks. After 7 days, the seeds grow into fresh fodder 20 centimeters tall.